Let's find out how to set a song as a ringtone on iPhone. First, install and open the Ringtone Maker app. On the first screen, hit the plus button and select your song from the library. Next, trim the audio to keep the part you want as a ringtone and rename the file to your liking. Tap on Save when you're ready. Then locate the new tone and touch the three dots icon beside. From the pop-up menu, tap on Install Ringtone. Then install via GarageBand and select GarageBand from the options. For the next part, your GarageBand app will appear. Tap and hold on your new ringtone from there. Select Share and choose Ringtone as the format. Then export the file. Finally, choose the Use Sound as option and set the file as a standard ringtone. That's it. Download the Ringtone Maker app and GarageBand app from the description below.